old ceramic mugs. You can turn them to planters without throwing them away. If you are not using them anymore, that will be useful in gardening. I'll be sharing with you some of the plants that will fit into these coffee mugs. Which are the best plants for coffee mugs? So let's see what are the plants that you can grow easily without any hassle and make a mini garden indoors. The most easiest plant to grow in coffee mugs or ceramic mugs is money pothos. Now you can see how beautifully my plant is growing. See, it's long and healthy. So these stems are growing really very well in this mug. You also can grow money pothos without any trouble in these old coffee mugs. So here I have another pothos plant. In this also I have another pothos stems growing, and I have a couple of mugs which are filled with bushy and thick leaves of these plants. So money pothos is the best and the first plant that I introduced for these old coffee mugs. See, here also I have put some money pothos. So this is the most easiest plant to grow. And this is an old ceramic mug which I have used as a planter, and there also I have put some pothos plants. So the next plant is snake plants. Now here I have some snake plants growing, and here I have Sansevieria growing in a coffee mug. So these are all low maintenance plants and also indoor plants. Snake plants you don't need regular water, so these are low maintenance plants, also fits into these small mugs. Next I have this beautiful spider plant growing in a small mug. This is also a ceramic mug, and this plant also growing really very beautiful and green in this old mug. And spider plant is the next plant, fits into coffee mugs. So you can plant these plants also in ceramic mugs very easily. They are also indoor plants and air purifier plants too, so grow them in these coffee mugs. Next, these small aloe vera plants you can grow in coffee mugs. Now here I have an aloe vera plant, and it is also in a mug, and also I have another plant, different coffee mug. They are all low maintenance and you don't need regular watering, so easy to grow plants. So have them in your old coffee mugs, and this also a good suggestion, this aloe vera plant. Next easy to grow plant is this wandering Jew. You can put a small stem of wandering Jew in a coffee mug and grow them really very easily. This is also one of the best plants that you can grow with a stem, and also one of the beautiful leafy plant as an indoor plant. So this also one of the plants I suggest growing in the small mugs. Wandering Jew. Here I have a beautiful Sangonium plant growing in this coffee mug, and that also a good suggestion for old ceramic mugs. You can easily grow them. They are also air purifiers, so grow these beautiful Sangonium plants also in old coffee mugs. And last but not the least, I just tested putting this flowering plant into this coffee mug, and you can see it is flowering, and also it is so happy in this. You can see the big leaves of this plant. Such a beautiful plant, and I suggest you growing this also. This also love the indoor humidity, so grow this plant also in coffee mugs.